God-blessed. JJ was also a true member of Anlo cultural institutions where his exits must be properly observed and exited in privacy. Now that he is no more, and after giving him all the honor and respect due him in Accra, we the people of Anlo, and for that matter, the entire Volta Ewe social group, hereby demand the release and the return of the body to Anlo chiefs through the Abanada of Anlo, Togbi Agbeshi Awusu II, for proper honoring and observances as Anlo traditional and customary practices and the usages required. We, the Asafo groups, the three Asafo groups of Anlo, and then the city Rotary, are keenly aware of his place in the history of Ghana. We also appreciate the need for the state to honor him and have him buried at the newly created military cemetery as need be, but our chieftaincy customary practices and the usages also strongly demand that we do not pay our last respect to our departed chiefs and people of JJ's stature in public. So for conveniences, chiefs are always the last persons to send bodies of departed colleagues to the village. Hence, the need for this decision. This is not the first time that a request is being made for a former head of state to be buried among his people to ensure proper observances of customary beliefs and practices. Requests of this nature have been made at various times in the history of Ghana. For example, this request was made for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Dr. Kwame Kofi Abrefa, for his burial at Wenchi, his home. Ex-President Edward Akufo-Addo, the father of the reigning president, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, for his burial at Chebi. Dr. Hila Liman, for his burial at Golu, his home. And recently in faraway South Africa, ex-President Nelson Mandela was not buried in Pretoria nor Johannesburg, but in his hometown. And much more recent was that of ex-President Robert Mugabe, who was also not buried in Harare, but at his hometown. So it follows that every now and then, serious cultural and ethnic groups often make requests of this nature to enable them meet stringent demands of their cultural practices and usages as need be. We should therefore be very grateful if you will favorably consider our request. Thank you very much. This is from the three wings of the Anlo state, the three Asafo groups of Anlo, the Anlo citizen. Thank you very much.